Like in mirror, if we create an object, we can create any other object by giving a specific dimension inverse to it. Like if there is an object, we have created, first you have to create an object and then we have to select the distance, give its dimension in x and y axis, and on the same distance another object will be created but inverse. So as we can see here, the object we created from origin, and then we entered the dimensions on x and y axis of 20 and 20, and the same object is created with on the specified distance but inverse. But as we can see in copy, the object will be created on the specified dimension but on the same sides. It will not be inverse. Like here we can see the object are same, but by using copy command, the object created is on the same side.